To fit your PlasmaFlow X,
start in a seated position on a couch or bed with your legs extended. This makes it easier to apply the PlasmaFlow X device correctly and comfortably. In your box, you'll find 2 PlasmaFlow devices, one for each leg and a charger. Additionally, your clinician may have provided you with some extension sleeves. Wrap one cuff around each calf with the control buttons facing upward. The cuffs should feel snug, but not tight. If they are tight at the loosest setting, then you should use the extension sleeves. Simply match up the hook and loop attachment points to the PlasmaFlow X and apply them how you normally would. The bladder is located next to the controller by the M2 button.
make sure the bladder inside the cuff is positioned directly over your calf muscle.
This ensures the best therapeutic effect. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. Now, choose your mode.
Mode 1 is a slow inflation.
The device inflates to 55 millimeters of mercury, then deflates and repeats every 50 seconds. This mode is the default setting, and you will see M1 displayed on the corner of the screen. To select Mode 2, press M2 and ensure that is being displayed on the LCD screen. This is step-up inflation. The device will gradually inflate in 10 millimeters of mercury increments until it reaches 55 millimeters of mercury, then gently deflates. If you have both cuffs on, they'll be facing the same direction. So one control box will be on the outside of your leg and the other control box will be on the inside of your leg.
You have up to 19 hours of treatment time
Before you need to charge your PlasmaFlow X.
The battery indicator on the screen will indicate the charge level.
To charge it, plug in the power control to the pump and you're all set.